What's up, guys? In this example, we're going to look at equivalent expressions. So we're going to answer both 18 and 19. 18 will be done in blue and 19 will be done in purple. So select all. So there might be more than one answer. All right, there might be, we don't know. That are equivalent to 4 times the quantity 2x plus y plus 2y. All right, so we're given this expression and we need to see if it becomes A, B, C, or D. And to do that, we are going to use the distributive property. Remember, the distributive property allows you to take the 4 and multiply it into every term that's on the inside. All right, so the first one is going to be 4 times 2x. And then we plus because the addition is right there, so we keep the operator, right? If it's minus, we put minus, but because it's plus, we put a plus, which means we'll have another plus over here. 2 pluses, so 2 pluses. So the first one is 4 plus 2x, 4 times 2x. The next one is 4 times y plus 4 times 2y. All right. So what's 4 times 2x? Well, that's just 8x. Plus, what's 4 times y? Well, that's just 4y. Plus 4 times 2y, which is just 8y. Let's take a pause here and let's see if we have any matching on 18. 8x plus 4y plus 8, we have, oh, there it is. D is one of them. Is that the only answer? Well, let's see. I have 4y here and 8y here. So I'm going to combine both of those y's. I don't have any more x's, so I'm just going to keep the 8x. Plus, well, if I have 4y and 8y, imagine you have 4 oranges and then 8 more oranges. Well, I'm just going to have 12 oranges total. So if I have 4y plus 8y, that just makes 12y. It does not make 32y. We're adding them together, so we get 8y, okay? And don't get it twisted. Don't think it becomes 8y squared, all right? Don't get it twisted. It's just 8y. Why is it only 8y? Well, watch this. We have 4y plus 8y. Well, what is 4y? Isn't that just y plus y plus y plus y? It is just that. In the same breath that 2 times 3 is the same as 3 plus 3, right? It's the same thing with 4y. 4y's make 4y. It's the same thing. It's the definition of multiplication, repeated addition. So we have 4y plus, well, this time we have 8y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry about that. Continuing down here, I just ran out of room. So now if you count the y's together, see what we got. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 y's. Okay? So you just add the terms together. So is there another one that says 8x plus 12y? We have, oh, there it is. A right there. And it doesn't look like the other one has anything more. We have 6x, but we don't have 6x. We have 8x. So we can eliminate that one. Let's get rid of it. We don't need that one. And we have 8x plus y plus 2y. Well, that's impossible because we have 12y. So we get rid of that one. So the only answers for 18 is A and D. Are A and D. Let's go to the next one. Feel free to pause the video, guys, if I'm going a little fast, but I do need to answer these in a timely manner. Okay, so but feel free to pause the video. Select all expressions that are equivalent to 2k plus 2 plus k plus 3 plus 2k. All right, let's see what we got. Right off the bat, I noticed something. I have 2k, k, and 2k. So how many k's do I have total? Well, 2k plus k plus 2k. That's 2 plus 1 plus 2. That's 5k. So I have 5k's. Excellent. What about how many other terms do we have? We have a 2 and a 3. Well, doesn't that just make 5? So we have 5k plus 5. Right there. 5k plus 5. All right, and let's check our answers, see if we have anything like that. 5k plus 5. Oh, C right there. C. Good work. Is that the only one? Well, let's find out. Well, we don't have any exponents, so we can just get rid of A and B. Because if you look at those, they have to the power of 5. We don't have any powers of 5s, so we can get rid of them. We have to check D, guys. Let's check D. Is 5k plus 5 the same as 5 times the quantity k plus 1? 5 times parentheses k plus 1 parentheses. So we have 5 times k plus 1. Well, how do we know if these are the same? Well, let's use the distributive property like we did on number 18. So we have 5 times k plus 5 times 1. Well, 5 times k is just 5k plus, because of the plus sign, don't forget that, plus. Well, what's 5 times 1? Well, that's 5. Hey, look at that. They're the same thing. So that means that D is also an answer. Good job. Don't forget to check the options they give us. Just check them, okay? Because the calculation came out to C. If we didn't check D, we would have probably just marked C. And if you mark only C, it is wrong because C is not the only answer. It is also D. So those are our 18, 19 equivalent expressions. Good job, guys.